Autosnipe AI is a platform I have talked about here on this channel before, but they have made some pretty big updates. So I thought I had to update you guys on what this platform looks like today so that you guys can utilize it to make the most money possible going into this bull run. Altcoins are starting to make major moves. So is meme coins. We're starting to see a lot of volume and opportunities flow into the meme coin market again. So it's important that you are up to date on all the best platforms out there so you can utilize them, because Autosnipe has a few very unique features that other platforms do not have. But firstly, let me quickly show you what it looks like. So they have obviously integrated the biggest launch pads like bonk.fun, as well as Radium Launch Labs, etc., as well as Pump Fun, which they have had the entire time. This is what the platform looks like. So this is the trending page. You then have new pairs and you have meme vision, which is probably where you'll spend the most time. So this is the dashboard that you are familiar with newly created tokens, tokens about to graduate, as well as tokens that has recently graduated. You can obviously set your own filters right here, so you only see tokens you actually want to see. You also have an instant buy option right here, which you can set the amount yourself, obviously. So now this is updated. You can just click buy and it automatically buys 0.3 Solana worth of that token. If we head into one of these tokens, this is what the actual trading dashboard looks like. It has an AI set up with certain parameters that is able to pretty successfully detect potential rugs. So it gives you this warning: snipe with caution. This token has a high chance of rugging users. Gives you the top 10 holder amounts, dev holder, how much the dev is holding, insiders hold, how many bots have sniped this token. You can see that this token is about to rug right now. So thankfully with this warning, I did not buy this token. But if we head into another one, you have some safety parameters right here. You have price, you have the price and holders, etc. You can obviously buy tokens. They have also recently added limit orders, which is very handy, as well as stop losses and take profits. You can obviously adjust your own slippage. They have AI optimized fees, so you can get in as quick as possible to these different tokens. Shows you the volume down here. It has live transactions going on the actual token itself. Very smooth and quick and easy trading experience. But let's say there are some of these wallets you actually want to analyze further. You can literally click onto any of these and just copy the wallet address, and they have this thing called Trader Lens. So right here you can paste in any wallet address. It just takes a few seconds to analyze it, and it will show you a full breakdown of that wallet's performance and how profitable it is, etc. Took 10 seconds. Let's view analysis. So you can see all of this wallet's trades. You can see his P&L, you can see his total win rate, current balance, token gain distributions. So he's had a few gains of less than 200%, but he's also had a lot of losses. You have total volume traded, recent trades down here, as well as token P&Ls right here. So you can sort it by total P&L on these specific tokens. But one of the other really unique features they have is this AI sniper. Automate trades at hyper speed. Activate AI sniper to earn automatically while you sleep. So they have some of these standard snipers that you can activate and put some money into, but you're also able to create your own sniper, and this is what it looks like. So you can set a target website. In this case, let's for example use Axiom. Let's use the Axiom about to graduate page. Let's keep it at Pump Fun. Let's do minimum volume as 1,000, max top 10 holder percentage 25%. That is fine. Minimum market cap, we can put that at 25,000. Minimum liquidity 1,000, that's fine. Max dev holding percentage, let's put that at 20%. So you can see that currently there are 2 token matches with these parameters and some tokens that you have missed, but there will obviously be more as you activate this sniper. You then have Dex paid, at least 1 social link. You have some advanced options right here as well. But for now, let's click on continue, and the sniper is now created. So now you can choose how much you want to invest. Let's say 0.5 Solana. And let's do minimum 0.1 Solana per order with a stop loss trigger of 40%. Let's just keep the sniper active for 3 days just to see how it works. You have priority fees. I'm going to keep that as AI. then you can set your own exit strategy. But in this case, let's just keep it as standard. Sell 20% at a 50% gain, 40% at 100%, and 40% at 200% gain, which means that the max return you can get is 127% per trade. Then just click on activate and you are pretty much good to go. This is now active and up and running and will snipe tokens in your parameter and automatically also exit that token in your specific parameters. Now let's say you found a really profitable wallet here on the trader lens section. They do also have a copy trading feature, so you can just paste whatever address you want to copy right in here. And similar to the sniper, you can then set your own settings and parameters and copy trade that specific wallet. They have also made it possible to directly connect a phantom wallet and trade with that wallet, as well as export your keys, etc., which wasn't possible previously, but you can now trade with any of your normal wallets, which is obviously a pretty big benefit as well. And another really cool thing, which most other platforms do not have, is API trading, where you can trade using your API keys. I'm not an expert at this. This is too complicated for me, so this is not something I'm into. But if this is something you are into, I don't believe any other trading platforms do give you the option to do this. So if you like the look of this platform, you can get 10% less fees on their platform by signing up with my link down below in the description. I really like what they have been doing lately. They have been improving their platform massively and made it into a very good trading experience overall, which is great as we are entering these really exciting times in the crypto and meme coin market, like I mentioned at the start of the video. Now let me know what you want to see next here on this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and join my Telegram, etc. Links will be down below. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.